Let's see the actress after this. I'm afraid to see.
Bro, I did not expect this. The whole community just went crazy. Most of the community just stormed the rivals Discord, and they've been there for hours, making sure that the devs hear them, and it's going crazy, and they're saying, why is Storm being treated differently?
Okay, hold on. When I figure out that this whole company dev thing was like Asian based, then I realize why Storm is not getting what she needs and everyone else is getting what they need. Because with another game, actually, hold on, let me see. This is Rails. Okay. Even with Overwatch, black woman, and I think Overwatch is own, Asian, right? Like it's always there. And then other game. Oh my god. Hold on. There's another game that was out. Oh my god, what's the other game that everyone loves to play and everyone loves to cosplay? A bunch of girls, magical. There's not they I think they had an African kind of theme and there was no black girls. There's none. Yeah, no, Blizzard's US based, but you're right. You're right. So I guess it's just a problem with black women. Yeah. It's it's a main reason I haven't cosplayed anything from Overwatch. And that other game I was talking about, that one's definitely Asian based. Hold on. It's right there. Everyone cosplays it. If I put in cosplay, what would pop up? Because I feel like, let me pixelate because sometimes they only give me freaking look Elden Ring. They only give me general stuff. Oh, but I feel like ew. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on with the cosplay? It's a bunch of lives and oh, it looks way different from before. Never mind. I forgot what it's called. But it's like a big game that everyone plays and there's not a black person on there except for when they're like NPCs as usual. Okay. Here we go.
Bro, I did not
Oh, it
expect this.
repeated.
The whole community just went crazy.
Sorry.
Most of the community just stormed the rivals Discord, and they've been there for hours, making sure that the devs hear them, and it's going crazy, and they're saying, why is Storm being treated differently, right? So then the mods of the Discord for the rivals team said, hold on, nigga. Stop it right there. There's kids in here. They do not need to hear about racism. I said, nigga, what? The people that was in there, the people that stormed the Discord, so many of them, hundreds of them, they weren't.
I like how you said storm the Discord. About storm. If Cloak wasn't attached to Dagger, he'd be treated exactly like Storm, which I believe because everyone else is treated that way. I think Black Panther as well. Who's the other one? Blade? I don't think they did anything with Blades. Mind you, I don't even play the game, and I know these things. This is the photo I keep seeing. They made Storm epic, but every single other person legendary in the same like outfits, basically. Do you know how big Storm is? The most like one of the most popular Marvel mutant. Like she's when you think of X-Men, you don't only think of like Wolverine, Cyclops, and Magneto. You think of Storm as well. Storm is one of the biggest. Yeah, like in the random, like I could tell Rogue. Who them other people? I think I see Squirrel Girl because of her tail, right? I see this freaking Cloak. You can see Cloak at the end. You can see Cloak at the end. But, but who are these people, man? What? Storm is freaking amazing. You could do she's fashionable too. Like what the frick? Tell you the truth, I don't know who Luna Snow is. I don't know who Luna Snow is. I do know who Sue Storm is. Obviously, like I don't know who Luna Snow is. But she has a legendary. And it's not only Storm, it's black characters, but Storm is the only black woman. I can't even tell you any other black woman in gaming. Like she's like a one of a kind. You can't tell me many black women games. Wait a minute, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, wait, what? So, whoa, hold on. Hold on. She's a new character they made for the game? Nah, 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 nah. I need to make a yep, they're racist. It has to be. What else can it be? What else can it be? I need to make a button that says, yep, 100% racist. It has to be. What other reason? Oh, that's my freaking birth year. What other reason? Storm is generally one of the most recognizable X-Men ever. Like I said, she had so many different looks that the dev had asked don't need to come up with new shit for her. Rivals need to lock in, bro. Jeez, what the hell is ALR? Or is that alt in misspelling? Got a current design that would be easy as legendary. She's the avatar for eternity. Or Smith. Oh, man. Do you even know how badass she is? Maybe they don't want her to be great. So they did all this and they made her legendary. But the thing is that you need like an outcry to make one black woman character out of all the girls legendary. Like, it's more of like a hair dam, you know? All right. Get the that makes me mad. I'm gonna say that. That makes me mad. So I refuse to give Memorials Mister the same attention as OW. When the game dropped 3 years ago, I specifically played Black Panther as tank and compare to all the other tanks, immediately lacking, as if Black Panther can rock all the tanks in lineup. When's the last time he got a skin? I don't know, actually. I don't know. All right. All right. 2018, huh? What does she do? I mean, looking at her name, Luna Snow, does she make ice crystals? Is she like an Iceman woman? Ice woman? Iceman? Oh, open up the server. Ooh, 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 ooh. Squirrel Girl wife. Oh, but Psylocke only has a 3 point whatever pick rate. It's most definitely not that. Back when we don't play this game, we don't need stored skins. Plain blank period. Okay, that's a troll freaking post. That has to be a troll post. Luna Phil apparently was okay. K-pop singer? So Dazzler? Is that her name? Dazzler? What's her name? D- what's her what does she do? A kick ice powers. Well, I guess Dazzler is more of like a light. I'm still thinking about that. All right. We need more blade skins too. And it worked. I don't like that it worked this way. Like, next one.
Maybe I'm too sensitive, but it feels
Oh,
weird that
yes. This one. This one. This one. So all the animations came out, and for Storm, they made her like
Storm is the only
fighting and
summer
shit.
MVP animation
But
where
everyone
she
else is
does
having
combat
fun.
look fierce, but everyone else MVP is just them relaxing, enjoying the beach, or in some silly shenanigans.
So they made her an angry black woman. They made her an angry black woman. How is this not racist? Honestly. Honestly, how I think this is the most racist you could be in a game without saying I hate her or the N-word. Like, there's no other way. There's no other way. She's like a stepchild when she's like elite. They're treating her like a stepchild.
I wanted to give it some time and sit on it for a little bit, but this is a terrible look for Nitties. This is a very, very bad look for Nitties for a multitude of reasons. I need you to understand that this is the first female Gunner skin released in the game that is an epic skin.
Hold on. I thought he was gonna show it. I thought he was gonna show. Do I need to pixelate this? I mean, if it could be a Marvel Rivals. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Honestly, I'm afraid. Hold on. Let me go in the comments and see. Okay. Okay. I don't see any pictures here. Okay. All right. I don't like the word Gooner, and I'm live streaming, you know?
The other female swimsuit skin is a legendary skin. And you know what? I can actually tell fully that this was never intended to be a swimsuit skin. I'm telling you it was rushed. And I know it was rushed. This is clearly a skin that they had planned for Storm, and they just took the model and took all her clothes off. That's essentially what this is. I mean, it's right there in the customization features. Like, this character had no love put into it whatsoever compared to the other skins. And I think NetEase basically shot them in the foot. Like, they literally shot themselves in the foot. This is a very bad look for NetEase. Now, am I still going to buy this skin? Hell yeah. I'm definitely going to support the skin. I don't think the skin looks bad. I just dislike the detail. The lack of detail that's on the skin. There's a severe lack of detail. Not to mention, it's the only female skin of the swimsuit genre that is an epic. That is not a good look. And I think they're aware that it's not a good look, but they really just didn't care. They probably were thinking to themselves that they would rather just give us a skin.
Now I want to see the skin
at all, which I still think
I
is
don't
the
want to be
correct
disappointed.
play. But you could have labeled it a legendary, even if you barely put the effort into the animation aspects of it. You could have at least.
Oh, was it a skin that we already seen?
Shut the fuck up. But I digress. You could have added options down the lane. Like, down the line, you could have, like, added customization features. But, like, yeah, no, this is a very bad look for NetEase. No custom VFX. It's releasing alongside 2 other legendaries. That's what I don't think everybody's understanding. This skin is releasing alongside 2 other swimsuit skins. This is the first Magic skin with Portal VFX. And nobody is saying a fucking word. Like, you released a Magic skin, the first ever Magic skin with Portal VFX, but Storm didn't get jack shit. Like, I gotta be real. That is a terrible look. But hey.
It's depressing. Wasn't one in screen. As they should. I mean, as long as they do the same for the men, I don't mind. I think I've seen a mod for Jiggle. Jiggle? Jiggle? Yes, Jiggle. I wanted to say Jibble. Anyway, Jiggle physics for the men in the front side, and that I thought it was real, and I was like, yeah! It wasn't real. It could have been, but there was people like mad at it, so I guess that's why. Real quiet when they bring up Overwatch because both games don't like us, Lex. Yep. Yep. Yeah. I mean, what game does? But, like, do anyone have any say with these characters? Like, shouldn't Marvel? Well, then Marvel is kind of like selling out, and I feel like they want to use AI badly. What's the next video for this? Oh, wait, why am I don't need to do that for here. I already know what's here. The Storm AI Legendary Update. Hey, vey.
I would have rather you not give me a skin at all. Storm sets the precedent as the first woman to ever get a epic skin in the swimsuit style. Before one of you, actually, if you could read, Krakoa Resort is not Marvel Rivals.
Look how beautiful that one
not
is.
the same thing. First, this is packaged along with Magic, who's getting her 4th legendary skin of the year, and Wanda. Ha 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 ha. But let's look a little deeper.
The 4th had some tone to it. Hold on.
Marvel Rivals swimsuit special. It's not the same thing. First, this is packaged along with Magic, who's getting her 4th legendary skin of the year, and Wanda. Ha 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 ha. But let's look a little deeper into this. Oh, I sure am enjoying the water. I'm Black Widow. Oh, look, a nice evening night on the beach. I'm Invisible Woman. Everybody else can enjoy the summer. I have to show attack animations for some reason. Storm! She literally controls the weather. Where's the animation of her clearing the clouds out and making it sunny? The marriage between Gambit and Rogue? Oh my god, this needs to be legendary. What? The marriage between Mr. Fantastic and Invisible Woman? That needs to be legendary. The marriage of Black Panther and Storm. Epic. Put it in a battle pass. Hey, can we get a disco skin? Sorry, Storm, even though you have distinct cultural
Disco! Disco! The other game did exact same thing with the Egyptian one. Disco! You know how many outfits Storm have from like that era in comics? Or am I thinking of like Starfire? I feel like her comics would have like outfits for it. And if not, it's easily applied.
To it, we can't do that. Oh, well, that's fine. Season 9 is Egyptian themed. Could I have something?
So they did the same thing with the Egyptian thing here. Like, I feel like, I don't know. Like, what can you do? I feel like, no, I can't say that. Hold on. Rewind back. I feel like you could say you could bully someone, right? Without harm, without giving harm, without saying to off yourself. I feel like People should bully these devs every single day for what they want. Bully. Bully, 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 bully. Because there's nothing else to do. I mean, yeah, you could quit and not play it, but that's not gonna do anything. People's gonna goon. People's like you have an attachment to this game anyway, and they know that. So if you just keep bullying them, shame. Yeah, shame. Shame. The shame. Oh, what a callback. Yes, I think you should bully without saying to go do something to yourself. Just bully them about the topic itself. Nothing else. Don't do anything else. Oh, it's only 2 o'clock in the morning. Look at that. I sleep at 3 usually. Anyway, uh, should we go to China? Is this too depressing? We want to go to China? China! Twitch had to drop her if sorry. I should say your names, but I think people could see your goddamn names in this small ass. Stop looking at my boobs, camera. Can you see? I think they could see you. Yeah. Anyway, wait, Twitch had a drop for her. If you watch gameplay for the skin for her, I literally only watched someone play to get the skin pack. I think that's the only one she had. Oh fuck, man. I shut up, tokens. Again, it's the Mac. This is what the Mac does. It freaking depressing, dude. Or we could scroll. There is a we could just scroll randomly. Not much things just pop up that's goonish. Someone called it out. I was like, who does this again? I was thinking Mary J. Blige, but it wasn't her. It was definitely Little Kim. Um